Hello everyone!
Welcome back to City Simple DIY.
For those who are new to our channel, City Simple DIY showcases simple and easy arts and crafts projects. Projects that can be done on your own or with your little ones. In today's video, I'll be showing you 2 simple DIY decor ideas for your kids' playroom. Without further ado, let's get started. Project 1. Lighted Hanging Artwork. These are the materials used. Rectangular mirror frame. Just need the frame so any board that has a removable wooden frame will work fine. Clip photo decorative lights. Artificial flowers with paddle wire. You can check the description of this video for links to some of the needed supplies. First, remove the mirror from the framing. We just want to use the frame itself. Then, untangle the photo clip lights. Twist the LED string light around the frame. Begin from one end of the top of the frame until you reach the other top end. The light switch should be taped to the back of either ends of the frame. If you want to enhance the look, you can decorate with small artificial flowers that has paddle wire. Project 2, Playroom Wall Art Decor. These are the materials needed. Alphabet stickers, permanent marker, an assortment of stickers, a canvas wall art piece. Begin by sticking the alphabet stickers on the canvas as demonstrated by my little assistant. The words that we chose on the canvas are read, play, and create. Then, decorate the canvas with an assortment of stickers. My little assistant really likes butterflies, so she stuck the butterfly stickers on the art canvas to her liking. Since the words are not very visible on the canvas, I used gold permanent marker to make the words stand out. Here are the final products. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more City Simple DIY project ideas.